model, 2011 Renault TRAFIC VIVARO short wheelbase, SL27 2.0dCi nav model body, silver, panel van mileage, 145,579 engine, 1,996 CCM 9R115 HPB transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. MAF sensor is faulty, bringing EML light up on the dash. Nice cheap easy plug and play repair does not affect the drive gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No crunching or whining. Engine, clutch and gearbox are brilliant. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: aircon, electric windows, sat-nav EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.